Got 3 turkeys today.
Yep.
They are, what kind?
Narragansett.
Narragansett. So we went to the swap, the local swap, and picked up a few turkeys. We're pretty excited. Need to get them home.
Sweet babies. You can see your friends. Oh, ready.
Wait, you got babies turkeys?
Mm-hmm. We got baby turkeys.
They're like animals for us?
So what do we get?
Baby turkeys?
Baby turkeys? See them in a minute.
Turkeys.
Baby
turkeys. A couple seconds ago, I got turkey.
Okay, let me get the bedding and stuff set up.
I knew there was turkeys in there, but I didn't know that we actually got some. I thought Daddy like shot some or something.
We got some to raise.
So how many
This
animals?
one's still my friend.
How many animals is
Safe
that?
place.
How many?
I don't know.
How many animals do you think?
How many is that in there?
3.
25?
25 animals?
24? I know it's over 20 because I counted like 20 something.
20. Wait, 17, 18, 19, 26 chickens. And
3 turkeys.
3 turkeys.
2 pigs.
And 2 pigs. She hasn't had a safe place all day.
She's sleeping.
Stop putting her down. I really want to help you get the turkeys ready.
Oh. Poor Easter egg, you're so lonely. To do something for her, I guess. Maybe we'll be a house chicken.
We'll have a spot for her.
Should be a house chicken.
Are you my house pet? Or you make you a chicken diaper?
I want a house chicken.
I have to have a chicken area in the house.
I want a house chicken just for me. Sleep with.
Cage.
Sleep in your bed.
Mm-hmm.
Poor chicken.
And a
She's had a
person
rough day
that
all
make
by
it drink and
herself.
it can talk.
First full day without her buddy.
It's been a rough day.
Hey y'all, welcome back to Sandstone Valley Farm. So we did something today. We've added and expanded the homestead. We went to a swap and we picked up 3 turkeys. What kind are they, babe?
Narragansett.
So they're a heritage breed. They're called Narragansetts, and we have 3 of them.
Ready to see them?
So let's open them up and show them to the kids here.
Those are turkeys.
Yep, babies.
They look like shit.
Yep, like big chickens.
I thought our chicken said but it was a guy.
They're turkeys.
So there's the 3 new additions to the homestead.
You might put her on first. You gotta hold them. Hold the wings down. Yep.
Just squeeze them.
There you go.
What do you think? Cute.
Never called it a turkey. You've seen them before.
This.
First time holding
I
a
know,
turkey.
but
Yeah, put one hand under. There you go.
I want to pet it on the head.
Okay, put it on the head. Just hold her wings down with 2 fingers. There you go. Him or her?
New turkey friend?
Is it him or her?
You can't tell. Not that way.
Can't tell that way on a chick.
It's not a chick.
No, it's not.
I mean a turkey.
Yeah. Baby chick turkey.
Turkey poult.
Is this gonna be a real turkey with like the big wings when it grows up?
Yep, it's a boy. A girl will still be big, but not with the big fan feathers like the boy has.
Oh, now I'm gonna need to squash my chicken.
A
Yep.
little bit. All right.
Alright, is our home ready?
Yep. So let's go put them in there.
Take the whole box for now?
Yeah.
Take them out.
Let's carry the box.
Okay.
Take them all 3.
Whoa.
There's our chickens in there, Luke. Chicky's gone.
Yep, the chicks are big. 1.
All right. So turkey number 1.
New home.
Your turn?
Yeah.
Okay. here. Put one hand on it. Yeah, like that. Okay. And 2. Number 3. 3 says, where'd my friends go? Okay, get her. There you go, one hand.
Oh, good helper.
Good. 3. Yay! Oh, so stretch my wings.
Get the food and water in here. Pretty excited. I've been wanting turkeys for a while now, so
What's the
yeah, we'll have to get some water.
How long will it live?